Today we're going to go through your home screen and what's called your MyScreen, which is an adjustable screen here that you can configure. Now, why would you do this? Well, just like your mobile device, it's really nice to have the features that are most useful to you here in this first screen. So as you can see here, we've got all of these icons. You can scroll down from here to additional icons. Which page you're on is indicated here on the right-hand side. As you'll notice, as we flip up, it's indicated here how far down the list you are. There's a couple of different things here. I would like to move to the main screen here. I would like to move notifications to a different area. So I'm going to press and hold and then select rearrange. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it down here to settings. And as you can see, it removed that icon and added it to the beginning of that particular page. Now you can also change these icons as well. Say for instance, if you're an Android user, you can take this Android Auto here and you can move it to one of these positions. And there you go. You've got your Android Auto here on the left-hand side. After you've made your adjustments here to your home screen, all you need to do is select Confirm. A second way to adjust the sorting or organization of your icons here is to select the settings wheel. Adjust sorting, and it will take you to that same exact screen. Now let's talk about your MyScreen and how you access it. Now one way is just to swipe to the left. You can also access it by hitting the home button a second time. Here you can see two indicators. Right now we're on the indicator to the right, which means MyScreen. But if I select the home button again, here you can see we have moved back to our home screen. So let's customize our MyScreen. Once again, we're going to select the settings wheel here, configure MyScreen. We have a call log, Apple CarPlay, and a map here. So let's make some adjustments. We're going to move the drive here into the first one, which gives us our drive modes. Let's scroll down. Let's do quick access here on the right-hand side. And we're going to go back and put map here in the middle. Now, here in drive mode, you'll notice there are three different indicators here. What that means is there are three different possibilities for that particular screen. To access these other screens, you just swipe to the left. Here you can see chassis possibilities or drive systems, such as sport exhaust or spoiler extended. Now, you would only really need that if you were having to clean under the spoiler. Okay, so we're going to go back. I actually want to do the drive modes there. That's good stuff. I'm going to select Confirm. And there we go. You have now configured your home screen and your MyScreen in your new 911.